A boy went to his friends. A boy went to his friends. He wanted to play cricket with them. What did he wanted to play? Does he wanted to play football with them? No. He wanted to play cricket. But he did not have a ball. He did not have a ball. They all went to a shop. Did they all went to a market, or did they all went to a school? No, they all went to a shop. The shopkeeper had many balls for sale. The shopkeeper had many balls for sale. They bought one and gave the man a 5 rupee note. How many ball did they bought? Did they bought 10 balls? No. Did they bought 5 balls? No. They bought one and gave the man a 5 rupee note. The shopkeeper told them to give him 4 coins of 1 rupee each. What did the shopkeeper told them? The shopkeeper told them to give him 4 coins of 1 rupee each. They did not have the change. But they did not have a change. The shopkeeper returned them a coin. The boys went to the field. Where did the boys go? Where did the boys go? The boys went to the field with the ball and began to play. Several men and women watched them play. When they were playing, there were several men and women, they were watching them. So they were feeling very happy. After they bought ball, they were very happy. So we have understand this short passage, and we now try to solve these questions. Why did the boy go to his friend? Why did the boy? What was the reason? The boy went to his friend because he wanted to play cricket. Here he wanted to play cricket with them. Second question, why could they not begin to play? So why could they not begin to play? Because they did not have a ball. Because if you want to play cricket, you need a ball. So they did not have a ball. That's why they could not begin to play. Third question, what did they buy from the shop? They all went to the shop, and so where at the shop, what did they buy? They buy a ball to play cricket. Okay, now fourth question, how much did they pay for the ball? How much did they pay? How much money? So they bought one ball and gave the man a 5 rupee note. Because the shopkeeper did not have change, so the shopkeeper told them to give him 4 coins of 1 rupee each. How much did they pay for the ball? So they pay 4 rupees. How? Because 1 rupee, the shopkeeper returned them a coin. They gave him 5 rupee note, and the shopkeeper gave them a coin. How much did they pay? So 4 rupees. How many balls did they buy? Did they buy 10 balls? No. Did they buy 5 balls? No. They buy 1 ball. So this is short paragraph. I hope you understand well. Thanks for watching.